I started with these small triangles. I got them from the scrapbook section in Michael's, and they are just these small wooden embellishments. I took 8 of them, and I took my Wise Owl iron oxide paint, and I just painted all of them to get a full coverage. I then set them aside to fully dry. And once everything was dry, I took a small art brush and some Wise Owl Snow Owl paint, and I did a very light dry brush on top of the iron oxide. I got these small bells from Hobby Lobby. They were in the Christmas section, so you got them for 50% off. And I'm going to glue a small bell onto the tip of each triangle. And then once all of the triangles had a bell on the tip, this is what we have so far. Next, I took these googly eyes that I got from the dollar store. And I'm just going to use these small ones out of this pack. It came with an assortment of sizes. And I'm going to use my hot glue, and I'm going to glue 2 of the googly eyes onto the front of the triangle. I then took some jute, and I also grabbed this pack of bells from the Dollar Tree. They came 6 and they are bigger. And I got these mini clothespins from Michael's as well. They are the Recollections brand. And I'm going to take the mini clothespin and just clip it to cover the holes on the triangle. And then I'm going to add some hot glue to the back of the clothespin and glue it onto my jute. Now I just cut a very long strand of the jute, and I'm going to string a bell through and just tie it on. And I'm going about 5 inches between the reindeer and the bell. And I just repeated this until I had a full garland of the bell and my reindeer. Now, depending on the size of garland you'll need will depend on how many reindeer triangles that you make. But again, I just took my mini clothespin, covered the holes on the top of the triangle wood piece, and then glued the mini clothespin to the jute. And that's it. Very easy, fun, cute craft that you can even do with your children or grandchildren with your help. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials over on our webpage as well. Have a great day.